This is Math Lesson 5.8, Algebra, Ways to Make Numbers to 20. At the end of this lesson, you should be able to say, I can add and subtract in different ways to make the same number. So it says, show 2 ways to make 11. So I'm going to get my counters and I'm going to put down 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I'll draw 5. And I'm going to draw some yellow, so 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So now I'm going to write my number sentence to show 2 different ways to make 11. And I have 5 red plus 6 yellow equals 11 altogether. So another way is I'm going to choose a different way. So this time I'm going to do 1, 2, 3, 4 red, and I'm going to keep going 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So on this one I can see that I did 4 red plus, in my yellow I have a line of 5 and then 2 more. So 5, 6, 7. So 4 plus 7 also equals 11. So they both are equal to the same number, but there's 2 different ways to make it. So this number bond would be 11, 4, and 7. And this number bond would still be 11 as the total, but the 2 parts would be 6 and 5. So it says show ways to make each number. So we have 13. So I can do an easy one that might be nice, would be 10 plus 3. 10 plus 3 equals 13. I can try some different combinations. I'm going to do my dots a little smaller. I can have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So on this one, I have 5 red plus I have a row of 5 and 3 more. That would be 8 equals 13. So I could do a subtraction problem and I can start with more than I need. So I can do 16 minus, if I have 16 and I want to get to 13, I'm going to count back 16, 15, 14, 13. So I have to subtract off 3. All right, let's try another addition. Let's see. I could do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then I could do the rest. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So let's see how many I have. I have 6 red plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 yellow equals 13. All right, let's try some 15. All right, we'll start with our easy one that we know. We know that 10 plus 5 equals 15. Okay. So now let's draw a picture of a different one. So let's see if I wanted 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and let's keep going. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. I just did that one. So let's change a couple of these to red. So there we go. We have, if we look over here, I have 3 yellow, plus I have 10, 5, 10, that's 10, 11, 12. All right, so let's try another one. Let's see, if I started with 8, and we wanted to get up to 15, I'm going to just draw some dots. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. So I have 5 across and 2 more. That would be 7. All right. If I started at 20, let's see how many we have to take away to get to 15. So we're going to say 20 and count back. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 20 minus 5. All right, I could even do this for 15. 5 plus 5 plus 5. 5, 10, 15. If I wanted to do 3 numbers here, I could do 5 plus 5. Well, I know 5 plus 5 is 5, 10. And then I would have to add 3 more to get to 13. All right, once again, we're doing ways to make each number. So I see 16. I know my double for 16 is 8 plus 8. Another one that we can do is 10 plus 6. All right. If I wanted to add 3 numbers, I could do 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2 is 10, and then we would have to add 6 more. Let's see, if I started at 20, and we're going to have to subtract. Let's count how many we have to subtract. So 20, count backwards, 19, 18, 17, 16. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4. So 20 minus 4. Let's try one more. If I start with 5s, I could do another 5. So 5, 10, 15, but we can't add a 5. We just have to add 1 more to make 16, and that's adding 4 numbers. All right, let's go over to 14, and let's try to do that. So let's see, I know that the double for 14 is 7, so 7 plus 7. Let's go do our 10. That would be 10 plus 4. Awesome. Let's try 3 numbers. Let's start with 4 plus 5. Well, I know 4 plus 4 plus 4 is 8, plus 1 more is 9, so I'm at 9, and now I need to get to 14. Plus, so we're at 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Awesome. Let's see, if we started at 20, how many do we need to subtract? So let's count. 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 14. Sorry about that. A little too many. So 14. So we have a row of 5 and one more, which would be 6. Let's see if we started at 16, how many we have to take away to get to 14. 16, count back, 15, 14. So we only have to take 2 away to get to 14. Awesome job learning today.